idea? Or let's pivot a little bit. How does it do those things?
Yeah.
How does it offer automation? How does it offer getting us future? How does it make us more productive?
It's a bit more like, because there's always been ways to automate things that they described it perfectly and had an autonomous or like a deterministic system for them. This is very much it's almost the easiest form of automation that we have. Or even arguably maybe the most expensive too.
Yes.
And in the long run versus the short run.
Well, it's definitely the most accessible.
Yes.
Easy, maybe a perception,
Sure.
right? Because it may give us false confidence, right? But that's okay. We need confidence.
Mhm.
Context. Does it provide us context on the things we pointed to? Documents, code, and how important is that?
So when I was in the outsourcing business, the line I coined was rule-based processing. So when you outsource any function, you follow certain rules. Based on the rules, you train call center employee or a data worker to process that invoice on certain rules. So everything is rules-based. So for my understanding of AI is that you've got to teach it the rules. Right? It's a blank slate, and you can take that, you can take it to any application. You have to teach it the rules and give it context of how it will perform based on the rules. And once it's done that enough times, it can then learn to be more subjective as opposed to being specific. So earlier, when we were doing rule-based processing, you were either in or out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deterministic.
So it was in or out. There was no software was not deciding whether you were kind of in or whether you should be in, or whether your credit score was enough or not enough. It was either yes or no, then it goes to the boss or go to somebody higher up to then determine based on other factors of whether you own your house. If you own your house but the credit score is shit, they might still give you the credit card, right? But the software wasn't doing that. So, but hopefully with AI you are learning to do that, because that person through a large enough model will learn that if you have your own house which is debt free, then you're definitely you have assets.
Yeah, so basically
That's-
context-based decision making, it's
Yeah.
less about 0 or 1, electricity, the bulb is on or off. It's more about getting everything at the state in between, so that using data to make decisions, but with more humanistic sense, and having the machines do it.